New product to review today. Conditioner this time, not detergent. This is Comfort's new Christmas or seasonal range. This is the Winter Sparkle range. This is a 33 washes of fabric conditioner. We're going to be testing it with a load of Woollens in the Miele W562 Prestige Plus 6 and seeing how well the rinsing performance is. And you're watching FlorenceBallardA3060 on film. So, this is the new range they brought out about a week or two ago. Some shops would have received it earlier. Where I brought this one received it in the last week or so. So it's 1.16 litres made by the Unilever brand, and it's recommended by Persil as well. As you know, back in the day with Hotpoint, for those who remember, Hotpoint would always recommend you use Persil Non-Bio and Comfort Sensitive or Comfort Pure conditioner. So they do a liquid detergent with this range, but we don't really use liquid here, but I would be willing to try it out. But we're going to do a conditioner test. I've not actually reviewed a fabric conditioner by itself, only detergents, because detergents are great, but what is important about fabric conditioner is how soft it leaves the clothes, the fragrance of course for some people, but also the rinsing performance. Now, we live in a very hard water area, so rinsing should not really be a problem. So it'll be interesting to see with a load of Woollens how it handles it. We're going to do it with a normal dose of Tesco Tropical Sunshine biological powder that my mum uses, and we're going to see how well this rinses. I'm going to use it on the automatic 40 cycle, which is the cycle that I personally use for Woollens. See how it goes. Let's get to work. So that is 75 millilitres of Tesco biological powder. This is the recommended dosage for that load, soiling and water hardness. I'm going to use a full cap of this because this is a smaller cap now. Full cap. That smells really nice, actually. And dose, I know that the straw needs cleaning. I will clean it out the next towel wash we do. I'll show you, like I said. Miele's have an automatic 40 cycle, which is basically just like a mixed or express wash for mixed fabrics. I'm not going to cheat by using Water Plus, we're just going to show it on its own. Water Plus doesn't even work on this anyway. We'll go with that. And I will come back to you at the end of the main wash to show the suds level, and then we'll just go through the rinses. That's currently the level of suds in here at the moment. You can't really see because, of course, this machine doesn't really use that much water for that, but we've hit 40 degrees and whatnot, so we're just now basically at this temperature. The enzymes in detergent is very active, is most active, especially in biological, so but there won't be enough suds. However, I don't know if the cycle does a shuttle rinse or a cool down, so it'll be interesting to see what the level of suds is at the end of the wash, but you can see there are suds visible there, I guess you could say. Let's see how many suds will come from this. There we go, quite a bit there. So we'll see how that rinses that out. This is the result on the first rinse after about 3 minutes in. So some suds are present, as you would expect, because it is the first rinse. So we're just going to compare this, and I think we do a second rinse. I'm not too sure on this one if we do 2 or 3. We'll have a look. Check the suds now. or all three, they'll be pumped out there. I think this intermediate spin does a longer spin, so hopefully you get a bit better rinsing there. Right, so we're at the end of the final rinse now, and this is the result. That just there shows you how well that is at rinsing. There's literally no suds at the end of that. So it's on rinse hold now. We're going to put that onto a Cotton's fast spin, and then we'll compare the results at the very end. So this is the burst of the final spin. See if we can get in the water lock, and then we'll see how much water is in the suds. Not really much, but so the verdict. Obviously, Mum's Woollens won't go in the dryer, but let's see. So it comes out quite dry from that longer Cotton's final spin, because we do 2 minutes 45 seconds at 1300. But it's a cotton, so we've got a few different materials. So cotton that comes out quite soft with that. I actually got to say, that conditioner is really strong. That is the strongest conditioner I think I've used. Wow, that really is nice. Because a lot of conditioners tend to, like, by the end of the cycle, the detergent overpowers it. And that is definitely the conditioner I can smell, because the detergent has a different scent to it. It's a tropical summery smell. This is obviously a winter sparkle. Right, so I don't know if any of that will be dried. We'll see. If so, then we'll do the final verdict here, because I'll do it tomorrow, because Mum... Alright, so this is the summary of this Comfort Winter Sparkle fabric conditioner. So it's their limited edition, as I stated, and they brought it out for this year's Christmas. Not sure whether they'll bring out any new fragrances, but if they do, I shall be happy to review those too. So, what do we think of this Comfort? Well, after 2 days of the items washed, which were dried, they were air dried on the banisters, as my mum does not like to use the dryer for her stuff, really. So, it gave a different sort of performance. Still, the fragrance remained, and it did not overpower the detergent. It sort of maintained a smooth balance. There was balance of the detergent I use and the conditioner. So many conditioners I've tried, either the detergent overpowers it or the other way around. The conditioner overpowers the detergent. So if you want to add a bit of Christmas or seasonal sparkle to your laundry, I'd recommend you buy this product. You can find it at many retail stores. Tesco do it, but you can also buy from Robert Dias and many other home stores. More stores should be getting them in. I believe B&M Bargain should have them as well. A lot of people on my channel do tend to shop there because they're mainly convenient and around. So please, I recommend you buy this if you want that. They do also, Sif do a cleaner similar to this, and they I think it's Surf who do Surf do a detergent similar to this. So there's like a sort of seasonal range you can bring out to your home. A lot of retail stores will sell this, and there'll be plenty more to come. So yeah, please do get this. Personally, for choice, Comfort has always been a conditioner I've liked, and so I definitely recommend it. For the next review, we will be looking at, I think, more detergents. But there'll be some other stuff. There's actually something different we're bringing to one of my reviews. I might review 2 drinks that I brought from Sainsbury's. So something a bit different that's not to do with laundry or any household stuff. I might give that a go and see how that goes. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this. I hope it proved useful. I will put the links in the description, as always, of where you can buy this from. You may prefer it online, or you may prefer to go in store. Whichever way you use, I just recommend you get it because it's very nice. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.